The just shall live by faith. Hey, how are you doing? Let's go to Romans chapter 1 and I'm reading verse 17. For therein is the righteousness of God revealed from faith to faith. As it is written, the just shall live by faith. This goes to back up the scripture, Hebrews chapter 11 and verse 1, which I really, really love. You don't see things turning out right now. Maybe you don't see money to pay your bills. Maybe you don't see healing happening for you. Remember, the just live by faith. Faith cometh by hearing the word of the Lord. So you're going to extend your faith. You're going to pray. You're going to ask the Lord as it make your request be known unto him. Give him thanks and rejoice, for according to his will it will come to pass. Remember, the just liveth by faith.